Okay, Habib. So we did first step in keyword research and content creation. Now we're going to do a little bit more work to start creating content. So what we did here is we just chose the best out of these options. You do not have to copy and paste the response. Remember, you just have to choose the best response in your opinion. So for best response, I believe this is the best response. Okay, so
Yeah.
that's what I kept. The next question is stay safe. This is good. This is fine. If you chose these, I would have been okay. Okay. If you chose this, it's fine. This is good too, but okay. And then the answer was here.
Yes.
So now what I need you to do is just copy all of this. Section 2. Oh, did you? Ah, very nice. Nice. You cleaned. Okay. Always just include the revised version.
Yeah.
Okay. So the revised version was very good. So we just copy here and we paste. Do this. And now you do not have to do this now, but you should go in there and kind of clean it up. But if you give it to me dirty, it's fine. I will fix. Do not worry. But you could start.
No problem. I'm learning, and you don't worry. And next time I will fix everything.
No. It just
This
I
is very
know it takes.
professional.
Yes, it takes a long time. So but let's remember we have to have some heading too. So going
Yeah.
back to our guidelines, what we do is we take our guidelines, 1 H1, 1 H1, and 8 to 10 H2s. Okay.
Right.
This is our H1. This is H2. This is H2. Okay. Make this H2. Very nice. You see that? Now we have 3 H2s. Okay. The lists are the best. So we always need to make these lists actual lists. Let's keep that. You have to remove on everything else. Okay. Lists should always be like formatted into list mode. Okay. That's very important because Google looks at articles that have lists and it puts them at the top because people do not like to read big paragraphs. They like very simple lists. Okay.
Okay, friend.
So that's done. I think, we could do maybe a little bit more, but that is done for me now. Okay. These are keyword. We hit save. Boom. You moved on to the next one. Okay.
Nice.
Okay, so this is one I did for one article that I was doing, but I did not write the article. And now what we can do is go here and just take this, cross it off. We did it. Okay. So the next one, complete guide to virtual networks. Let me just go here, new, blank. Just do this very quickly so that you get the hang of it.
Yeah.
File, save as. Here we do a complete guide to virtual
private networks.
Boom. Okay.
Right.
We're gonna save. Where are we gonna save? Let's hope it's saved where it was supposed to save. Let's save a copy just to see. Silo. Oh no. It did not say where we want to save. It's saved outside. So here we have to drag to vSilo. Cancel. Okay, so you have to save here. Habib drafts. Save.
Okay.
vSilo, content writing, Habib drafts. I will delete that later. But anyways, I share with you folder anyways, so that you have. Okay, we put our keyword here because this is the guide to the article. Okay.
Okay.
Please give me the 5 titles. Which one did you choose? Complete guide to online security. Very good. Okay. Take this title, copy, paste it there. And then we take the H1. You put it there. Close that. This looks very good, by the way. Very good job. Did you tell it to revise? Okay, you did not tell to revise. That's fine. But remember, you have to tell to clean up its answer because sometimes the machine will fuck up. So we need to tell it to clean its stuff up, but that's okay. We just copy paste what you have here. And there seems to be a formatting issue here. Let's just do this. There we go. And this needs to cleaned up. Okay, this is, to be honest, is not the best format, but it's good content. Just do no spacing. No spacing. Take here, take heading 2. Heading 2. These can be heading 3. Copy format. Copy format. Copy format. You see how fast I am doing? So this is productive. If I am doing all day, I make maybe 15, 14 articles. You know, that's why it's so productive. So you take this. No, I think this is incorrect. Yeah, okay, so it's this format. We will remove the hashtags and all that later, do not worry. Just go up, go 2. This becomes a 3. Copy the format, copy there. If this is a list, I put it in a list. I remove that. And oh, you did clean up. Did you? Or is this another article? Oh, you did clean up. No. Okay. What shall we do? What should we do? I like that second answer better. But okay. You can do this. Just copy. And we'll supplement. So the here is, well, it is a little confusing, but complete guide about the 5. Let's simplify it. Entirely articles VPN, your complete guide to in an age where our lives range will be driven. This is good. Okay. This is very better. This is much better.
Yeah.
You know. Okay. So I'm going in here. I'm just going to copy off. Yeah, this is probably just a better answer. So that's okay. Just had to do double the work, but that's okay.
Okay.
Because when you tell it to clean up, it cleans up. So that's what I want you to understand, is you need to tell the computer to clean up and use the answer that it has cleaned up. Because otherwise you're going to be editing too much. And this is still not clean. I still have to review this and make sure that everything it's saying is true and it makes sense. So that is another quality analysis part that we are not going to review yet. But for now, I want you to complete as many of these as you can and then send to me, and then I will do the quality analysis and cleaning up. And then together we will post, okay?
Okay, friend.
So this is another one we have just completed. Looks good for now. Remember, it is important to remove these and these, but I will do the quality analysis. So just save. We close. We'll close this for now. So the first step is obviously choose the keyword and website, right? So it will be here. For now, I want you to do Control VPN. It's probably the best.
Yeah.
Show you like that, so you have the reference. See, and this, Habib, this is how your notes should be. If you have questions or if you're documenting a process, look how I am doing everything step by
Yes,
step. Okay.
yes,
Anyways,
this is very good.
okay. So then the next step is to okay. I'm going to stop recording because I'm going to write your tasks now, but
Okay,
this
okay,
is
okay.
the